A very good morning to one and all. Here I'm back with another scintillating video after my workout session in the morning, which was really amazing today after so many days. And here I will talk about the India-Indonesia relations. As we all know that dear President Subianto, Bravo Subianto have recently visited India as a chief guest for our Republic Day parade celebrations. And for that he has also brought his 352-member army contingent to participate in India's Republic Day parade. So here I am starting with the India and Indonesia relations. So ladies and gentlemen, both countries shared multifaceted trade relations, cultural traditions, festival, share of people-to-people contact and enhance economic opportunities together in the region. As we all know that Indonesia is a part of ASEAN, and for that we have recently visited or attended the ASEAN summit, where Indian Prime Minister have highlighted the 10 points agenda to improve India and ASEAN relations. We are also providing improved scholarship programs, increased seats in our agricultural and several other universities for ASEAN students. For talking about the economic opportunities, both countries share the trade relations of 25 billion, and for that ASEAN is our greatest trade partner. Indonesia is our greatest trade partner in the whole ASEAN region, and it is expected to increase the trade relations up to 50 billion, that means double in the upcoming years. And for that both countries have signed a comprehensive trade economic partnership in the year 2018. Now coming up with the defense collaboration, both countries have also signed defense collaboration agreement in 2018 and also do so many multilateral exercises, which is Komodo exercises, Samudra exercises for navies of both countries, and Garuda exercises for Air Force of both countries, under which a lot of military to military contact takes place, where both countries shared interoperability and counter-terrorism exercises. We are also looking for the opportunities to export our BrahMos missile to Indonesia and also provide them opportunity to repair their Sukhoi fleet aircraft with the help of India. So hence this defense collaboration is very critical for both countries to counter Chinese influence in the region. Coming up with the tourism sector, we have been a second largest tourism resource for Indonesia in the last few years, and recently an Indian diaspora have reached a great extent because of enhanced tourism to the Bali in Indonesia. We also provided them 1,60,000 tourism in the last year to Bali, and which is becoming the region for enhanced people-to-people contact between two countries. So this great Indian diaspora of having 14,000 Indian nationals which are recently residing in Indonesia, and as we all know that Indians have migrated a lot in Indonesia, which have enhanced India's DNA into Indonesia, and that shows that enhanced relations, people-to-people contact, festivals are also shared with Indonesian people. And we all know that dear President Prabowo Subianto have also shared that they have recently conducted their DNA test, and where it was found that he has an Indian origin DNA. So these extended relationships, these vast relationships are very critical for us, as we are looking to increase our opportunities and diversify our trade relations with Indonesia in the upcoming years. And hence, as both countries, as Indonesia is a part of our Act East policy, and we are looking to enhance our trade relations, diversify our economic opportunities with the Indonesian people. So for future point of view, it is very important to take more and more steps to enhance these relations. Thank you.